Hey there, today we're making homemade chicken gyros. So easy and so delicious. Start with 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Try to use the whole fat if you can find it. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You can use 1, but I'm using 2. And then add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Black pepper to your taste. I'm using about a half a teaspoon here. 1½ tablespoons of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or red or apple cider, whatever you have is fine. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Make sure you roll it before you cut it. I like to measure with my heart, don't judge me. So 3 tablespoons for me is about 1 lemon. You want 3 to 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic, not garlic. Mix this really well. Add in about 2 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken thighs or breasts, whatever you have. I like the thighs because they're juicier. Mix that in really well. Make sure your chicken is very well coated. And then I like to use a fork to make some holes and kind of tenderize my chicken. That also makes sure all of that flavor gets inside. I transfer this over to another bowl so I can cover that and let it marinate. You can marinate this for a couple of hours or overnight. I like to do overnight. And then once you're ready, get a heavy bottomed foil-lined baking dish and stack your chicken on top of an onion. And you're going to want to make sure you rotate it. I actually needed to use more skewers because I forgot to rotate. And also my baking dish isn't very well made, so it wasn't heavy on the bottom and kept tipping my chicken over. Pour your juices on top when you're ready. And then you're going to want to bake this in the oven at 300 degrees until the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I also like to baste this as we're going. And you can see how I ended up with more skewers and another half of an onion. It was tricky, but the meat was so delicious. It was the best chicken gyro I've ever had. Go ahead once that meat has rested for at least 10 minutes and cut. Then you're just going to go ahead and put your chicken gyro together. And if you'd like to see my links for the recipe for the tzatziki or the naan bread, please check the links above. And until next time, happy cooking. Bye.